love is making music with my friends. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. It's the 17th of September. It's just before 10 o'clock with a brisk 60-something degrees.
Brisk?
We're heading to Du Bois. So it was supposed to be a beautiful day, so we're taking the bike.
Weather-wise, it's beautiful, but I got a doctor's appointment.
Yeah. But it is supposed to go up into the 80s today. So let's see what happens. So stay tuned. And don't forget, subscribe so you don't miss anything. We are in foliage season. Every day it gets a little better. So don't forget, hit that bell so you don't miss any of our adventures. Absolutely. Thank you, honey bunny.
You're welcome.
We'll zip around this corner and catch you on the next one. We have a little bit of color. We're coming into Somerville on Route 28. Just a little bit, hon.
A little bit. Are you going to hit Elkville?
I hope so.
It's the only way I can describe that. Ben is that. And maybe the cross.
Yeah, I like to do them.
Maybe the overlook again. Skywalk, whatever you want to call it.
Rim Rock.
Rim Rock is a nice place. Brady Overlook is nice too.
Yeah. So we got lots of stuff planned for this season, so
you gotta stay tuned. That's what stay tuned means.
Yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
And make sure you hit that notification bell so you get, every time we post something, you get a notification. Much appreciated. And we love to thank our subscribers that we have.
And if they like this channel and they keep coming back, tell your friends. Tell them to check it out.
Check it out. Is there a song? Check it out.
Yeah, it's one of the many million Mellencamp songs you have. Sorry.
Hey. We're always
check it out.
We're always looking for new music that we can post.
Yeah, so if anybody has any ideas,
just put it in the comments.
Absolutely.
Say a good song for riding, and we'll put it on the channel, providing there's no...
We'll even give you a shout out when we do.
Yep. Provided there's no copyright.
Boo.
Yep. Whee! Usually there's a nice view over here, so I put the camera on.
Yeah, I don't have my GoPro with me right now.
Yeah, it's in the back. Maybe after the doctor's appointment.
Yeah.
My big thing, where are we going to go eat after this?
Oh, God.
To find something new?
I don't know.
Good old Dutch pantry.
I'm trying to lose weight, and you're over there making me eat.
More ice cream, dear.
You know, if I stick to that, I might lose weight.
I don't see much foliage. Okay, till the next.
Glad you're recording that.
Oops, sorry, dear. Here we are at the bench. There. Welcome to the bench. Beautiful. Okay. On to the next.
Oh God.
You got some color. And this is the high school, vocational school.
Jeff Tech.
Yep. Yep.
Must be Jefferson County.
Now
I'm just throwing that in there.
we gotta work our way to the doctor's office. I think I gotta go left. Now I'm guessing.
Well, doesn't left take you to that railroad track that you have
Go-
to take a right
Yep.
over the railroad track?
Yes. A little more. Yep. Hey, the colors are changing. The colors are changing. How about the trees are changing?
Yeah, there you
The
go.
leaves are changing. Ah!
Well, don't you know that other kids are starving in Japan? So eat it, just eat it. Don't wanna argue, I don't wanna debate. Don't wanna hear about what kind of food you hate. You won't get no dessert till you clean up your plate. So eat it. Don't you tell me you're full, just eat it.
Well, we just had a good breakfast, brunch, or whatever you want to call it, at Bobbitt's Hotel and Diner.
Very good.
Very good. I thought so. And I had 2 eggs, 2 sausage patties, real good home fries.
Homemade home fries.
Yeah, homemade, yeah. With real potatoes, not the store-bought stuff. And just a touch more seasoning and it would have been fine. And the toast. Rita had a West.
Omelet,
Yeah.
which was like a 3-egg omelet.
Mm-hmm.
It was good though, very good. And toast coffee.
It was good.
Yep.
Now we're heading towards Punxsutawney on, I think it's 219, I don't remember. And enjoying the weather. 82 degrees. Well, the bike was parked, so we'll give it a few minutes. It's in the high 70s anyways. And we have some color. And that's what it's all about. It's the Foliage Tour 2025.
Yeah, riding partner Amy and Bob. Amy suggested we go to Rimrock. Then is that what we were thinking about?
Yes.
On our way up this road. It's a plan.
Mm-hmm. So, don't forget, hit that bell. Hit the thumbs up button, the like button. Leave a comment. Everything's appreciated. Look at the pretty colors. Woo-wee! More to come. Oh, I don't want to shut it off.
And go.
We got some colors.
Colors.
colors. Yep. Beautiful day for a ride, hon. Look at that, right ahead of us. Yippee-yi-yay. Can't believe it's only middle of September. And we got this much color already.
So that means foliage is going to come and go quick.
Yep.
And we might have a bad winter.
Stock up on pellets. Yep. That looks cool. Most of the field harvested already, except for the soybeans. Look at the babies up on the hill. You can't see it with the camera. We can see it. Up on the hill, there's some cattle. Home sweet home. Look at that, we have foliage also. Well, thanks for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed foliage ride, and there's more to come, so hit that bell so you don't miss anything.